So hello everyone, I am Arshad Abbas. I am doing MTech from Integral University, and I have enrolled for this course, that is MATLAB for electricals, and my experience in this center is highly overwhelming. And I've basically just done MATLAB for electricals, that is the basic course which is running in this institute, and I would say that this course is highly beneficial for my research work, and the faculty here is highly they are just able to help me in every possible way they can, and I just give my wishes to the faculty here, so that and I will also, I'm being just going to just recommend this course to my uh, students, and so that they can enroll in this course. It's good experience.